Hi everyone, it's Mr. Donofrio, and I'm going to talk about just how to convert from point slope form into slope intercept form. So if we look at this first question, it says convert y minus 6 equals 1/2 times x minus 4 into slope intercept form. So the first thing we want to do is distribute our slope right here to both the x and the 4. So when I get that, I'll rewrite it down here. We get y minus 6 equals 1/2 x minus 2. And now from there we have one more step. We just have to get y all by itself, and we can do that by getting rid of that 6. So we have y minus 6. The opposite of subtracting 6 is adding. So we'll add 6 to both sides. And we'll be left with y equals 1/2 x plus 4. And now if we look, this is in slope intercept form. We have y equals our m times our x plus our b. Okay. If you're given a question like this, where it says write an equation in slope intercept form for the line that passes through the 2 points 2, -3, and 4, 1. So the first thing we have to do is we have these 2 points, and we have to figure out how to calculate slope. So this is in a previous video that goes over calculating slope between 2 points, so I'll just do it real quick. So slope equals 1 minus -3, which will be a plus 3, and 4 minus 2, and we'll get 4 over 2, which simplifies to just 2. Alright, so now we have our slope, and we also have 2 points up here. So we can put this in point slope form. So that is y minus y1. And in this case, I'm just going to use our point right here, 4, 1. So our y value is 1 equals m, which is our slope, times x minus x1, which is 4. And now, just like we did in the previous problem, we're in point slope form, so we can convert this into slope intercept. So we'll start with the distribution, and we'll get y minus 1 equals 2x minus 8. And then the last step, we have to get y by itself. So we're going to add 1 on this side, add 1 on the other side, and we'll get y equals 2x minus 7. And then if you look here, we're in y equals mx plus b, which is slope intercept form.